morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, TikTok. What's up, TikTok? Let's get this shit out of my mouth so we can talk. Check. The audio is good. Audio is loud. What up, Dom? Good morning, y'all. Let's see. Good morning, y'all. Don, good morning. Happy Monday, everyone. Overnight was crazy. But MNQ and ES recovered overnight as well, so we'll see how it goes today, you know? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let's see what we're gonna find today, to be honest with you guys. Friday and a Friday ended in the blood massacre across the board, so let's see how it goes today. We will see how it goes. What's up, Jesus? Good morning, guys. Wait, Monday, appreciate you all being in here. What up, 50? Yo, how was your weekend? How's your trade? How were your trades? Good morning, Fives. What's up, Luis? Good morning, guys. How are you? Fives, thanks for the follow already. That was quick. Quick with it. Huh. Hey, Luis, you ready for today or what? Ready for a money trade? That's done. That's done. Not touching any of that crap. Yaks, Luis. Yaks, Luis. Yaks, Luis. Might need a vertical monitor setup. Hey, YouTube. Hey, TikTok. How's the music level in the background? Always gotta ask someone in the background to check for me. What's up, Billy? Good morning, Billy. How's your weekend, brother? SDK Sandus was a crazy move. That shit just blew out the water. What are you trading on? I'm looking through TradingView right now. Just charting before the madness starts, you know? My platform, I use Webull as my platform, and I use Tradeovate for my props. That's linked into TV itself. I love trading in TV. What are you trading on? What are you? Hey, Kat, what's up? How's your weekend? Good morning, happy Monday. Y'all up bright and early. For my, if you're West Coast, you're nuts. If you're East Coast, this is normal. 9:30. Meme coins scares me, man. I guess meme coins can be fun, right? It's like a super lottos. Slow start. It's Monday, Cat. It is Monday. I'm trying to hold off on the coffee for the next hour, but I might need it. Yep. You don't really know how to get into stocks, Billy. The best way to do is, if I was to start over, completely start over, I would learn how to read a chart. Look up supplies and demands after you know how to read a chart, to basically understand the chart. And then from there, decide if you want to trade. Well, you say meme coins, right? I would actually suggest, I'm going to recommend this to every new trader getting into it. get like one prop firm futures, do one prop firm futures, and practice trading futures. That way you understand like how to trade tick by tick, price by price. Trade strictly price action and not based on like hype, to be honest with you. Good, man. I've been really good at that. Just scared to make the switch. What are you scared of? Like if you're scared of like using your money, right? Then use prop firms, right? Use their money, like pay, let's say at most pay $100 for an eval, and then trade with that. And then if you pass it, shit, keep it consistent and then make money off of that eval. You're still shorting 50? I'm long NQ. Long NQ. There it is. Long NQ. Long NQ. Long NQ. Long NQ. Bye-bye, money. GG. GG. Dude, I kept the same fib level. This is the opening range fib from yesterday, from the opening session. Kept it. It went below. I'm like, fuck it. I'm not gonna touch anything below into it. Like, get back into it. There it is. Okay, resistance 832. I hope there's a pullback so I can get some more in. I'm gonna set a buy at 584. Long NQ. I'm in. Second run. Quick move. I'm new to stocks. You want to invest? I have 500. What do you recommend? Dude, you crazy? Investing. Take the 500 and buy an ETF. Buy like SPY-G or like VOOG and just look at it. Or it's gonna move like a snail, but or take the 500. Or take the 100 or 200 from the 500 and get into futures. Get a prop eval and then practice trading with that. Silver's nuts, man. Don't touch silver. I actually did silver last night because I did Top Steps system platform. The trick with that is that if you don't change the DOM along with the chart, it doesn't change. So I was trading at MNQ and I had silver in my DOM, or like vice versa. And it like fucked me. Like it just ripped my buffer in half in 2 seconds. You can do SPY. Yeah, you can just, you just let it sit there. Because those, you don't really invest. It's an investment. You don't trade with those. You just let it sit. What a fucking run up on this NQ move. Good catch. Good catch. Good catch. Pullback should be here. I want to see a bouncer here. 630 level. Right here. Do I trade options? What's up, Andre? I do. I do both. Futures and options. I didn't get to lock out my account yesterday, last overnight sessions for futures, so I'm trying to lock it out now. And then I'll jump to options. Andre, are you trying to trade what about you, brother? What are you trading? What is nuts? CNK, Tesla's dead. VIX is dropping. I like VIX drop. Tesla under 420 is dead. I want to see Oracle pull back even more. Yep, Orga's pulling back. Okay, 630 level didn't hold. But I'm trying to do. Option is tricky. If I were to start over with the same knowledge I have right now, but like start over, I would get into futures trading first. I would trade prop firms, use their money, use their funding, get those payouts, get those base hits, build up my cash investment from that, build up my cash. Just build up my cash, right, and get my own futures account and trade my own cash account, and then from there, keep compounding your profit, and then slowly transition into a couple options here and there. But I would look into like long-term options, like leaps, like get a year out, 2 years out, and only enter them when they're on a dip, on a buyback. Options are contracts, right? Options are contracts of a ticker. Futures trading, you're trading the price action, the actual like tick amount, like these guys right here. Like you go in and out. Options, you don't do that. Options, you're buying like an assumption. You're buying a right. Well, options, you're buying a right of that like 100 shares of that name, right? But yeah, YouTube, Google will give you a way better explanation. That sounds more reasonable than me. But that's pretty much the gist of it. I want a better pullback. I want to pull back here. I want to hear. But I don't think it's going to pull back anymore. Bullish open on the market's crazy, huh? Yeah, kind of. Yeah, you can think of it as that. What up, Bino? Bino, welcome back, brother. I missed you, man. Let's get it. Let's get it, my guy. Ooh, and Q long. Look at that freaking move. 300 points, motherfucker. That's nutty. VIX broke 18, is dead, which is good. SNDK is nutty too. That's actually nutty. That is nutty. Do I see a trend in crypto? I'm pretty sure the trend is bearish right now, right? Let's just pull this guy up. 74 was the bottom. Yep. 74 was going to be kissed for the weekend. If I was a Bitcoin or a crypto trader, there's your move. Got to get over 78. It'll push back up, which means MSTR can be a good move. Let me tell the guys, talk to the guys. Liquid. MSTR has earnings this week. Yeah, I'm not touching that shit. Dude, you got 300K last. You made. Congrats, dude. Hey, that's biggie. Congrats. Fuck yeah, man. Next goal. Yeah, so yeah, you got earnings this week. I totally forgot. We're not touching that. We'll just wait. We will just wait for that one. But it's a good move. Bitcoin's gonna push, Vinyl. So the thing is, MSTR is gonna push. Bitcoin pushes and MSTR pushes. Somebody under 190 again. Yep. AMD. Sorry, I got excited. AMD is good. AMD is good. AMD is good to trade. Next goal, build buffer. Hell yeah. Build a buffer and jump into silver. What do you say? What do you say? Everybody builds a buffer for silver. Oh my god, this AMD. What up? Let me see something. 4 hours. Look at a 4-hour bounce, dude. Look at that 4-hour bounce, Vino. God damn, that line doesn't fly around. Why did we sleep on that shit? Can't believe I missed it. Yeah, I like this. We can play a run up. We can trade this AMD. AMD strong. Good flow. It might be a good run today. I don't mind this trade. Leighton dropping the likes. Hey, thanks, brother. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Appreciate that. You guys pay your taxes yet or what? I always remember. I always remind my traders. Because, you know, that shit hurts. But if you're a smart person and you're trading and you have money, pay taxes? What do you mean, how do you pay taxes? Go to your tax person. Be like, hey, here's the paperwork. Here's my paperwork. Can you do my taxes for me? You're funny, dude. Yeah, stock isn't doing as bad, my guy. The stocks market is fine. That was a nice discount over the weekend on Friday, so. Wait, who's your husband? Gabriel, your husband? What do you show for taxes on trading? You should have gotten a tax document from your platform. So for Webull, they sent me a bunch of I forget which form it is. It was last week I got mine. Fidelity sent it like 2 weeks, the week before that. Check your emails, or just check log onto your platform, and it shows you and just download that. You need that shit, man. Only made a good profit, but you know, always check with the tax person, not me. I'm not. I can answer trades and stuff. I'm not gonna do your taxes for you though. SNDK. Back over 690. What a money run. I love it. Apex. Oh, I was just saying, for example, I have Weeble, so they sent me through there. But Apex, go jump on Apex. Every platform has a document section. Yeah, I caught the NQ long this morning. I was like, NQ long, right open. Pop! Hours already. I trimmed it twice already. I'm doing top steps right now on this side. What's the best day trading stock that's kind of affordable? Gabriel, what's the best day trading stock? Are you trying to go in and out? That's affordable. SPY. But you better make sure you catch the correct side. Good shit, Leighton. Leighton's killing it. AMD's really nice, by the way. AMD, ACN. AMD is really good. God dang. Is there earnings for AMD this week? No, it was wrong on AMD. It does have earnings this week. AMD has earnings this week, everyone. So not touching that. That's a bummer. ACN. Yeah, Gabriel, if you want like day trade, are you talking about like you just buying stocks and you're like trading? Like that's your name, or like you trying to do options and day trade options? Two different things. Let me see. Gotta wait until that reclaims. Guys, for Tesla, if you're a Tesla trader, wait until 420 to clear, okay? If it reclaims 420 and the base is 420, you can go long. So this guy right here, 420 is the level, key level for 420. What's up, TBZ? Good name, by the way. God, NQ, you sexy motherfucker. NQ is really good, by the way. What a freaking comeback. Oh my God. Now this is trend. It's bullish trend. It's clearing every single level. Okay, I gotta refib this. It's crazy. Last 1 hour. Last 4 hour impulse. Last impulse will be this guy right here. We gotta go do a full impulse. So these are the major levels we gotta look out for. Dude, I need like... Yeah, buddy. What is this? 785. 785. Let's see if precious metal will make a comeback today. SPX is fucking beautiful. Look at that shit. Oh, I bought more, cat. I bought a shitload more of those silver SLV 100. So on Friday when it pulled back even more, so my average down is like $3 now. I'm gonna keep testing in my corner of my eye. 420 right there. Tesla test 420. There it is. Yeah. almost 10 o'clock. Hmm? Hope zero to go below lower than 70. Or is it at now? 71? I believe the level was... One level we had was... Right here. Yeah. 70. It's 200. Tesla rejected. Like this move right here. No idea what happened. Did anyone like find out why it pulled back? What up, censored word? World? What's up, dude? I wonder why it pulled back. I feel like someone say something stupid, like JPM say something stupid. Raymond. Right through the start. TG, what are you up to, TG? $7.10. $7.10. Tesla. VIX curling up. That'll be fine. UV. Hey, Vinyl, check out GEV. GEV. Watch this Oracle pop. TSM. Going through. Very inconsistent. Very inconsistent across the board right now. Very inconsistent. Leighton. Pretty sure that was an earthquake here in California. Pretty sure that was an earthquake in San Jose area. Oh, I was right. That's crazy. You think Microsoft do anything? Microsoft doesn't like to do things sometimes. The same as Google. Those two names. Probably not. Like after ER, it just sitting there, which is weird. Usually after earnings, we see like, you know, what the flush, right? But then you want to see a, you know, a retracement, but it's not doing anything. What is Microsoft doing? Jesus Christ, do something. Crazy. We just had an earthquake 4.0. Nice. Bro lives down the street from me. Tesla round 2. Crazy Cat, do you get Microsoft? attitude. Look at this. VIX broke 17. If it's gonna break 17 down, shit's bullish fuck today. We're going straight back to all-time high. Cool. Very cool. $417. Bro. I'm retarded, sorry. You bought shares? Damn, cat, you rich. Yeah, it needs to move. But I was expecting to move by now. Or something. Like, we want to see it back at 443. And then we'll go from there. So options is just buying, technically you're buying the rights to buy those shares at X amount of price, right? But if you're bullish on a certain name, let's say you're bullish on Microsoft, like from at this level, you're like, hey, in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, Microsoft will hit, let's say 440, and you buy contracts for like 4 weeks out at 440 calls. And then hopefully by that time, it'll be in the money or close to the money. But most of the time for options trader, when you buy a contract, I say, I'm going to buy those same contracts, right? Let's look it up for anyways. Let's see how much they are. Examples. We're going to check out the example. So let's do February 20th. 440 calls would be, they're about $5 each right now. So $500 per contract. And then I buy those today. And then today it runs up to like 420. That contract price is gonna jump up to like maybe $600, and then you can actually sell the contract right away. You know, most option traders, they don't hold on. They don't hold on to the contracts into expiration unless it's like worthless, and they don't execute it because they don't want to buy those shares. They just sell the contracts back to the seller or to a different seller, buyer, to a different buyer. And then you just cut the premium of that contract price. It sounds amazing, but sometimes if it runs the opposite way, you burn a lot. You burn a lot. NQ move is perfect. Fucking perfect. Good long. SPX. VIX breaks below $17, we're good. For silver, so I bought the 110. I mean the 100 calls, right, for February 20th. So we got plenty, like we got 18 days. So right now my average price is 330 for the whole lot of contracts. I'll start taking it when it's green again. Because right now it's sitting right at a support level. JPM. Sorry. $305. Like 4-hour JPM. Over 306, interesting. JPM. Damn, SPX, what a freaking move, man. God dang. NQ long, moneymaker. JPM's a slow mover. I'm not trading that shit. Liquid. TG price is definitely going higher. So the trend is up, right, TG? What I did was, what I've been doing all morning is on a 3-minute chart, you just figure out, or actually, because it's either 3-minute chart or the 500 ticker. I switch back and forth because price is like nutty right now on NQ. And I just look for it the pull back to the 20. I don't even know what to say about this NQ move. Yeah, you should wait. It's moving. You gotta wait for a pullback. There should be a level right here at 842. It's very fucking bullish right now. Hmm? Wait for Tesla, guys. So fucking nasty. 835. Yeah, good. Surprised it didn't come back this far. Right here. $930's next target. I said we're just gonna reclaim everything. Just go here. So with your SLV contract with 100 strike price, how much would you make in risk versus buying stock? So they're $71 right now. The contract is $1 each right now. So premium moves differently, right? Let's say 71, it move you buy your SLV right now at $71 each. How many would you buy? Like 10, 20, 30, 100 of them? So 100 like times 70 each would be $70,000 or $700,000. What kind of math am I doing? So let me see, what math is that? Math calculator. 500 shares at 71 each. So you spend $7,100 on 100 shares, right? And then you could sell it back for, to say it pops you 76. So that'd be a nice $500 profit. And I have, let's say I buy 10 contracts. At 100 each. So my cost would be 8,000. Let's say I do the same thing. Let's say so let's see, $100 each. So I buy 70 contracts. So I have 70 contracts, $1 each, and then they move up to $2 a contract. That'd be $14,000. So options contracts, you make a lot more from the premium versus shares. Even though I bought, let's say, even though I bought 70 contracts versus your 100 shares worth of $71. 76 350, 76 216. Target here needs to get over 2 levels. This guy and this guy. Yeah, anytime you trade options, you get it's a premiums that will pay you well, but also it will rip you open as well if it's moving the opposite way. So if keep an eye on the option contracts right now for SOB for the same, they're 106 right now. They're worth $106 each contract. So let's say price jumps up to $80 today, an SOB. I expect those contracts to be like maybe even $2 each, or at least 160. So that's $60 net per contract. So it's just fluctuating right now. When SOV silver hit that $72 mark, I saw those contracts jump up to like 115. NQ's lagging now. It's slowing down. That means there's gonna be a bigger pullback later. Tesla's coming up to 420 test. All right, time to load up Tesla soon again. Let's see if we can catch a Tesla trade. I actually don't mind taking a Tesla now. Like 420 breaks. I see 430 happen fast this week. Today's date, the 2nd. Bro, there's 1 day Tesla trades now. Fuck out of here. That's crazy. What? Did you guys know that? When they added this? Yeah, I like 430 calls on Tesla, by the way. Why no 430 calls? But you got to get over 420, guys. For 30 calls. Yeah, that needs to happen. Mm. Nothing crazy. What's she talking about? I see it. PG. I already have my limit set for everything, so just waiting. Cat, you just hang out. Wait, are you working, Cat? Work from home? Got a chill life, working from home. I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully Dad's is comfortable living out. Getting stronger. W for the husband, W for you taking care of your dad. This Tesla. 420. Was she on main? The little one's still sleeping. 7:30. He must be tired. Long weekend. Long weekend for them. Let's see a bigger pullback, to be honest. Like here. 791. I want that pullback more. 787. Pull back more. Yeah. I'm on West Coast, so they're sleeping. They should be waking up now. My alarm should be going. Where's my alarm? This is a wake up time for Tristan. Get ready for school. That looks good. What are you looking at? That's MNQ, my guy. This thing? What are you trading, Leo? What's this guy looking at? You don't trade? Looking into it? What are you trying to? What do you want to learn? What do you want to trade? Like, are you gonna do futures? You gonna do options? You gonna do regular stocks? Are you just investing? 420. That's smart. Investing is smart. Yeah, that's good. We were talking about West Coast time, 6:30. East Coast, 9:30. It's a good bounce. Needs to reclaim this area. You're right at the 200 SMA. Let's say reclaim 2272, cat. Gotta reclaim that. APAC. What am I trading? I got Tesla options earlier. I got the 430 calls, and I'm in silver 100 calls, and I'm trading MNQ on Top Step. Yeah. Trading is slow, man. Trading is boring. Like, I'm not scalping. I'm not trying to scalp nonstop on NQ or anything like that. I just wait for a pullback, enter, and let it sit there. Trading is boring, to be honest with you, but it's consistent money. You do it correctly. So I've been riding this stick up, literally riding this move up on MNQ. So 420 was the level for my Tesla calls. I told them that as long as it breaks 420 and hold it, I'm in. So I bought the 430 calls for this week. They're average 254 each. They're right now at 305. These guys right here. Cool, huh? Options. So most time you're just looking for charts, Leo. I'm staring at charts and see what's good. Hey, you don't see anything, you don't enter. You don't see anything, just sit here and keep staring at charts, different charts, or do other work. Fuck is it? I'm looking for a picture right now. I can't find it. Am I crazy? What the fuck, man? It's weird. That's so weird. Okay, let's see how long silver's just gonna hang out this level. Just holding it. What does the indicator? What does the candlestick indicate? Prices, volume, the volume of buyers and sellers. For instance, if it's a white candlestick, that means buyers control that candlestick, that price action at that time interval more. If it's a red, blue for my screen, that means sellers were in charge of that candle. Kristen? It should wake them up. All right, I'm gonna get them ready for school. Cat, I'll be back later. Have a good day.